Thank you so much for staying with us. With thousands expected to hit the streets for Carnival in Jamaica this weekend, state agencies are moving to assure Jamaicans that this year's cleanup effort will be better. At the same time, the agencies are also insisting that promoters must play their part or they could find themselves in trouble with the law.
Carnival, Juve and Road March are inching closer, and stakeholders are moving to ensure things flow smoothly. On Thursday, the organizers of Carnival in Jamaica met with representatives from the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation.
A lot of care has been taken to ensure that any negative or potential negative effects on the city of Kingston are reduced to a bare minimum.
While the organizers gear up for what's expected to be an exciting weekend for revelers, the National Solid Waste Management Authority and the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation are also gearing up. But it's to ramp up cleanup operations and enforcement across the corporate area after the events.
We see cleanup as a part of the event and not as an afterthought.
The move comes amid mounting criticism in previous years, where Juve celebrations left sections of New Kingston stained with paint residue and major roadways littered with garbage long after the music stopped. Executive Director at the NSWMA, Audley Gordon, says watch parties are now tied to strict sanitation requirements, which include the submission of a disposal plan.
We'll be working with the Municipal Council and the police to ensure that if we don't have a disposal plan for an event, the event now happen. We have to put our foot down because too much is at stake.
For his part, Kingston Mayor Andrew Swaby is also placing emphasis on safety, warning that guidelines given for the temporary structures must be followed.
I know that they have already engaged a production team, and they will be, and I'm not sure they would have communicated to the production team when they are coming for inspection, because safety is of paramount importance, not just to the cases, but all of us.
The NSWMA, on the other hand, is also talking tough, but argues the responsibility cannot fall on them alone.
Our enforcement team will be out, and they'll be out in their numbers from before the event, during the event, and after the event. And they will be looking out for infractions. They might not be able to apprehend and to take the action there on the spot, but we will have all the pictures, the videos, everything where the infractions are concerned to prosecute after. We have to get this right. We can do it.
And while the celebrations are expected to bring energy and economic activity, officials insist the message is clear. Enjoy the festivities, but clean up after, because failure to comply could come at a cost. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.